Okay, picture this. It's tax season. Or even worse, out of nowhere, an unexpected financial dispute pops up. If your stomach just dropped a little bit just thinking about it, well, you're in exactly the right place. Welcome to this explainer where we're going to completely take the anxiety out of managing your money.
I mean, we've all been there, right? You're scrambling for financial records the absolute 11th hour. You're digging through a shoebox of disorganized paper files, or even worse, realizing you completely missed a fraudulent charge just because you haven't looked at your transaction history in months. Losing track of your financial history isn't just frustrating, it's honestly a super costly mistake.
But hey, there is a totally simple fix here. Digital bank statements. They automatically organize your finances. They completely prevent that last-minute tax panic, and they help you easily track your budget. So today, we're going to walk through a foolproof, step-by-step guide to downloading your Discover bank statements online.
So here's our roadmap for today. 1. The value of digital statements. 2. Securely accessing your account. 3. Our step-by-step download guide. 4. Choosing PDF versus CSV. 5. Common mistakes and fixes. And 6. Next steps and a quick disclaimer. All right, let's jump right into section 1, the value of digital statements. Think of digital statements as your ultimate financial multi-tool. They let you track your budgets and spending patterns with absolute precision. When tax season rolls around, or say you need to provide proof of income for a mortgage or personal loan, boom, you've got clean, official documents ready to go. They also help you resolve transaction disputes super quickly. Plus, while Discover is actually great about minimizing fees, a lot of banks charge up to $5 a month, literally just to mail you a paper statement. Going digital keeps that money exactly where it belongs, in your pocket. Moving on to section 2, securely accessing your account. Now, Discover has a fantastic, robust security infrastructure, but it really relies on you doing your part. That means using a strong, unique password. We're talking a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols that you literally don't use anywhere else. You also absolutely want to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which just sends a quick one-time code to your phone. Oh, and never, ever log into your bank on public Wi-Fi without a virtual private network. Finally, make sure your account fraud alerts are actually turned on. Taking these proactive steps is basically just making sure your browser is keeping you safe. Okay, section 3, our step-by-step download guide. All right, step 1, open up your web browser, head over to the official Discover.com website, and log in securely using that strong password and 2FA we literally just talked about. Step 2 is super important, so pay attention here. You need to select your specific checking, savings, or credit card account right from your dashboard. Because Discover actually operates different accounts on totally isolated statement cycles, you have to download the statements for each account type separately. Got it? Okay. Once you've clicked on the account you want, step 3 is to look up at the primary navigation menu and just click on All Activity and Statements. Once you're inside that statement portal, click the drop-down menu right in the center of your workspace and select View Previous Statements. Next up, you simply pick the calendar year you need from the Historical Archive drop-down and locate your specific monthly date range. And finally, the easy part. Just click the PDF or download link right next to that period. Your browser is going to instantly download that file right to your device. It really is that easy. Next up, section 4, choosing PDF versus CSV. So because Discover is an online-only bank, their PDFs are machine-generated directly from their central databases. What does that mean for you? Well, it means no weird scan artifacts or blurry lines. A PDF is your official, totally unalterable legal record. It includes your opening and closing balances, making it absolutely the best choice for audits, tax proof, or loan applications. On the flip side, a CSV file, which stands for comma-separated values, gives you raw, flexible data. This is exactly what you want if you're importing your transactions into Excel or Google Sheets to manually track your daily budget. Now, one really quick warning for you here. You might also notice options to download your data in QFX or OFX formats. Listen, unless you are specifically using Quicken accounting software, just completely ignore these. Trying to open those up in Excel is just going to give you a massive headache and an unreadable mess of code. So stick to PDF for your official records and CSV for your spreadsheets. All right, section 5, common mistakes and fixes. Okay, first up, if you click download and absolutely nothing happens, your file transfer is probably being blocked. See, Discover's secure portal uses dynamic browser redirections to generate these official PDFs, and aggressive ad blockers or pop-up blockers often mistake this for a malicious pop-up. The fix? Super simple. Just temporarily disable your pop-up blocker for the Discover site. Now, if you're locked out because you forgot your login credentials, please don't panic. Just use the Forgot User ID or Password link right on the login page and verify your identity. And finally, if you download the PDF but it opens as just a completely blank page, the file isn't actually broken. You likely just need to update your browser or install a free program like Adobe Acrobat Reader to view it properly. Now check out this incredible fact. Discover provides up to 7 years of statement history directly through their online portal. Think about that. If you're ever panicking about losing an old record for an audit, just take a deep breath. As long as the account was active during that time, your machine-generated PDFs are sitting there securely in your portal, going back a full 7 years, ready to be downloaded exactly when you need them. How cool is that? And finally, Section 6, Next Steps and Disclaimer. Before we completely wrap up today, I do need to share this quick note. This explainer is strictly for informational purposes. While we've outlined the current processes based on the source material we have, bank website layouts and specific features totally change over time. So, if you ever hit a wall or things just look a bit different, always consult Discover's official resources or reach out to their 24/7 customer service via phone or chat. All right, now it's your turn. Are you ready to really take control of your financial records? I challenge you to log into your account today and download your most recent statement, just to get a feel for the process. If you found this explainer helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more clear and structured guides, and drop a comment below. Let us know your favorite budgeting tips, or if you have any lingering questions about managing your Discover account. Seriously, what is holding you back from mastering your money? Thanks so much for learning with me today, and I will see you in the next explainer.